Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a small project on Power BI that is related to the bank statement of one of retail business. So we are analyzing the bank statement on Power BI. So when it comes to the requirements, these are the requirements of dashboards, total deposits and total withdrawals, and average collection and average withdrawals per day, total empty deposits and withdrawals. These are the requirement of the dashboard. So now I'm going to the Power BI desktop. This is a Power BI desktop, and I'm clicking on import data from Excel. So this is a data, and I have clicked on open. This is the data from statement from 1st January 2021 to 31st December 2021 that we need to analyze now. As we for that data, we need to create the dashboard for as per the requirements. So I have fetched the data into, I have imported the data into Power BI desktop, and I have clicked on transform data. This is data which we have imported, and this is how it look like our query editor. And here we need to do some transformations, like here we don't need column 4 and column 10 also we don't need, because this column is not there in Excel file. Now I will show the raw data how it will look like. So this is raw data they have shared it to me from online portal. So here we have the data from 1st January to 31st December, and these are the transactions ID, and these are the remarks for which purpose they have used, and this is the UTR number, instruction instrument ID, withdrawals, deposits, and balance. So this is this is the data, and for now we need to prepare total deposits and total withdrawals, and day wise deposits also we need to share. We need to give the data to them. So we will analyze this statement for their business. So how to improve, for to get to know some basic information from this data. So actually this column 10 is automatically created, and here also column 4 is not there in Excel file, but here it is automatically created. So for what we are doing, from choose column, we are unselecting the column 4 and column 10, then click on OK. Automatically it will remove. And here column profiling, here in the down we can select the column profiling based on the entire data. So if you see the data type here, it is automatically selected wrong data type, so that we need to correct. So actually for this we don't have any instrument ID, so that's why it is showing null for some of them, not for all. And in some cases they haven't withdrawn any amount, so it is showing like that. So this is so now we need to change the data type for this. So from this you can get some how to do transformations for date table. Here please focus on here to. So actually this is when we do, generally what we will do is we will just select this date type, so it will change it to the it will change it to the date type. But here if you see the correctly, here we have a errors. So actually it is automatically showing error. So now we need to, if we click that on error, date format error, we couldn't place the input provided as a data value. So it is showing something like that. Some error is showing it is. So in this case, what we need to do is we need to change by using locally we can change the date format. Now I will show how it will. So now text format to date, and here you need to change the localize. So this is from India. This data is we have extracted from online, so that is India. So we need to select this one as a India. So English India. So this one we need to select it, and then we need to click the OK. So now we can see we don't have any errors. So this is how we need to change the date format for this. And another option is also there. Options, go click on file, then options and setting, then click on options. Here we have a regional settings. Here also we can change it to English India. So this is two methods we can remove the date errors, date format errors. This is how we need to change. So this is how we have removed everything. And what we need to do now is we need to close and apply. We need to click on close and apply. So now it is fetching the data to the Power BI desktop. So I think now we have the data. Yeah, now we have successfully imported the Excel file to the Power BI desktop, and we have transformed the basic transformation. We done with the basic transformations, and now we are back to the Power BI desktop. And this is the columns we have in. So that is balance, date, deposits. So we have everything is in correct format only, withdrawals in number format, and deposits also number, and balance also number, date is date format. So everything data is in right format. So what we need to do now is we need to select the first of all we need to select the uh, card visual, because we need from this we need to find out total deposits for that year. These are the total deposits. We will do small 26 lakhs, sorry, 2 crore 63 lakh 42,384. This is the total deposits. So we need to change the title to total deposits. I think for this we don't need any title, but we need to change the data levels. This is the total deposits. And we will apply the background color. Light colors are better to see, and so it's better to apply light colors. And shadow, it will show the shadow. We can see the shadow. So this is for deposits, and then same select and Control C and Control V. So now we need to select it we need to remove the total deposits, and we need to select the total withdrawals. Two crore 63 lakhs 58,232. These are the total withdrawals. So we need to change the title. And now what we need to do is, first of all, we need to know the average collection, and here we have prepared total deposits and total withdrawals. For that we have prepared the card chart. Now we need to calculate the average collection and average withdrawals per day. So for that we will select this one and Control C and Control V. Again I hit it because we need to do for total withdrawals. Here we have, and that, and what I'm doing is average. So just we need to select the average withdrawals. For this also same I'm doing. And here I need to change the amount to deposits. I need to take the deposits and I need to make it average to the deposits. So this is for deposits, and this is for withdrawals, and this is for deposits. So here I need to change the title. So this is how actually this is not a deposit, this is average deposits. So this is how. So now I'm making it small and I'm adjusting here. These are the total withdrawals. These are the total deposits. These are the so now we have done with the total deposits and total withdrawals, average collection and average withdrawals. Average collection is nothing but deposit only. So next what we need to do is total MD for deposits and withdrawals. For this, what we need to prepare is, first of all, we need to take the metrics chart and then we need to drag it down. Then we need to take the first date wise deposits and withdrawals. So here we need to change the, here it is not clear, here it is clumsy, so we need to change the date format to categorical. Not this, we need to change the date format to readable format. So here date is not in readable format, so that we need to change it to the, here we need to change the format to the, here we need to 14th March here. So here this is a readable format. So we need to change it to the date to the readable format and we need to. So here we can see easily 1st January 2021, 2nd January, 3rd January. So this is a date day wise withdrawal. So easily by we can see this data, we can easily we can find the how much collection daily we are getting, daily business we are doing, and how much withdrawals. Here we can see 1st January 3,910, 2nd January 1,21,425, and 3rd January 23,608, 4th January 68,000. This is the daily business. Here 5th January 2,93 business. So here we can easily identify the business how we are doing. So easily to identify better, we can create the, we can take the another page and we can column chart, we can create the column chart. Here we can identify easily date wise if you how much it is in. So here it is clumsy. It is, we can't see the, we need it in day wise. So this is here it is showing monthly and not in x-axis. We need to get the x date. So what we need to do for that, what we need to do is we need to change the data type to continuous to categorical. So easily we can see the data now. So 1st January is 51,765 and 2nd January is very low. So here in this like this we can find clearly. If you want in line chart, you can do it in line chart also. So this is how it will work, how it will be. So in 5th January withdrawals are 2,16,000 and deposits are 2,93,000, that is collection and withdrawal. So this is how it will show day wise till year end. So in this month, in this day, 6th October, 81,000 is withdrawal and deposits are 3,74,000. This is how look like date wise withdrawals and so, so this is how we need to analyze the data. So for this, and just for example, they want like they want to know the data like MTD. So this is a annual data. So they want to find month wise. Just for example, if the data is date wise, like day wise, here we have the data. But we want to, just for example, we want to know this, just for example, end of the end of the end of the month, we want to know the business. So 30 January, how much business we have till 30th March, January, and till February. So we want to know the total. That is like month wise total. We want to know the. We can in two ways we can find that way. Now I will show it how it is. First one is here we need to take date hierarchy and we need to remove the year and quarter and day. Then here you can easily find out the uh, month wise data. Here we can see how much in January, February, March, April, and May. But if you want to know the day wise and month wise, then we need to use the DAX function, that is MTD. Then only we can easily get that one. So now I will create DAX function, that is total MTD. Now I will tell you how it will help for us. So just create a new measure, click on new measure, and MTD deposits equal to, we have a DAX function, that is total MTD. Then here we need to take the expression, that is sum of deposits. As we are preparing deposits, we need to give the deposits, then close the bracket. Then date is date field, that is operational date, and we are not applying any filters because no, we don't need any filters. So close the bracket and enter. And here we have a MTD deposits. So just we need to click on drag that into values. So if you see this one, so first of all, what we will do is in values, withdrawals will be first line wise, deposits and MTD deposits. So what here total MTD means total, it will show the total month till end of the month, it will add day wise. So now I will clarify how it will work. Total MTD, and here we have a 2-3 functions, like 3 functions: total MTD and total QTD and total YTD. MTD means month wise, QTD means quarterly, it will sum the deposits, and YTD means yearly, it will sum up the till year, it will sum up in the end of the year. So now I will show it to you how it will work. So for our understanding, here you can see 1st January is 3,910, and here also deposits are 3,910. In the next day, 2nd January, it will sum the total for 2 days and it will show. So if you see the 3,910 is the first day and second day is a 1,21,425. So if you see the MTD, it will accumulate for 2 days and it will show the data number. So like this, now we have used MTD function. So if you see 23,000 in third day, so it will add up to the total 3 days and it will give the number. So this is a benefit. So here we can easily analyze with this MTD with this function. So this is how. So if you see the month 30th 31st January, the end of the day, so it will till that day it will add, and from 1st February it will start from starting. So it won't till the end of the month only, it will cumulate. It will give the cumulative sum from next from 1st February next month starting date. It will start. Here we can see first day is 1,08,720 is a deposits, and second day 2nd February is 84,000. So it will give the total sum. If you see the 1,92,865, 2,94,872. This is 3rd February. So this is how MTD will work. So for our if you do the if you see the report easily, we can uh, identify. So if just for example, we have the today is the 18th. So by seeing this report, so we can easily get to know that. So today is example, today 18, assume this is 2022. So today we have deposits of 80,330. As of now, this month we did 11,34,402, and our target is just for example 20 lakhs. Assume just for example for the client purpose, if it is a 20 lakhs, so based on target we can do. Still we have 12 days more to the month end, so we can do it like that. We can put the target and we can work. So this is how it will help MTD. In the same way, I will create QTD and MTD. I think the MTD it won't work, but I will show it to you how it will work. I will copy that one. I have copied that one, and I'm creating new MTD. That is total MTD. I have pasted here, but I need to change the here as QTD. So QTD, and here I need to use total QTD function. So click on enter. So now for the timing, I'm removing withdrawals from values and I'm taking QTD function. So this will this QTD sum will show till this is quarterly. So if you see the 31st January, as of 31st January to 20,07,867, but in 1st January it is cumulative with daily. So in quarter Q1 is till March, right? So 31st March it will give the number total sum. So if we go to the 31st March, that only March month deposits are 18,25,000, but from January to till March, these 3 months quarterly is 57,18,204. This is how it will work. So if you see the 2nd April, I think 1st April there is no transactions. So if you see the 2nd April, everything is same. So this is how it will work. So with the help of QTD function, easily we can find the quarterly sum, quarter wise. So now we are moving to next measure, that is YTD. Here we need to use total YTD. Then click on enter. And drag that into values. Then if you see this one, it is accumulating till the end of the year. So if you see this YTD and QTD and YTD, so it will same only till the quarter. Now I will stop in 31st March. So if you see the 31st March, these numbers are same, but in 2nd April, the numbers are changing for QTD, MTD, but in YTD it is accumulating only because it will give the total year value. So if you see the end of the year, it will give the accumulated in last day 31st December. If you see the 26,34,000, sorry, 2 crore 63 lakhs 42,384. So that is nothing but total value of the deposits. So it is here, it is showing in total MTD, QTD, YTD is showing. YTD is correct only, but QTD and MTD is giving last day values. So that we can disable in format tab. We need to go to the format, and for that, what we need to do, we need to disable this total option. Here we have a subtotal option that we need to switch off. So if you switch off, if you off that one row totals, then we don't get any totals here. So here we can see the directly here YTD 26, but for our need, we just will switch on the totals that we need. So this is how it will work. In the same way, we will do it for withdrawal also. So what we need to do is withdrawal. We need to create a measure. So this is MTD. And here we need to change it to the deposits to withdrawal. Then enter. Okay, close. Actually, I need to change withdrawals. First, we need to take that into the values. Withdrawals we need to take. Then we need to take MTD withdrawals. So for this, we can compare easily. So MTD withdrawals. First, we need to go to the top. So 51,000. So it will give the sum like this. So day wise it will give. So in the same way, we need to create for QTD and YTD. We need to take another new measure. Sorry, here we need to change the QTD. Then here also we need to change it to QTD. Then take new one. Paste it. Then YTD. Enter. Then drag that values into values. Drag the measures into values. QTD withdrawals, then YTD withdrawals. So hierarchy wise. So here we can easily find out our 26,35,000. This we need to tally it with withdrawals 26,35,232. So this is right. So we need to prepare and we need to analyze. So this is how it will prepare for that. For this, Actually, what we will do is will paste this data. We will paste over there, and this one we will come. We'll copy. We'll copy this data and we'll paste. And I have copied this chart and I have pasted here. I have copied this one and I'm removing this one. And I'm pasting here. Control X, Control V. So I am changing it to the bar chart because it is very clear. By highlighting, we can easily we will get to know. And for a clear cut observation, we are changing colors. We are formatting the colors because if it is a chance data colors, data labels, so it is not looking good, so we'll give auto only. Zoom slicer will on the zoom slicer. Zoom slicer is nothing but we can reduce this one and we can see this clearly. So this here we have one zoom option, so that we need to on. So this is how it look like. This is a dashboard of for all this. So here we can easily find out the day-wise dashboard. So this is for chart purpose, and this is for if you want to analyze, if you want to see the number clearly, then here we can find out this one. So this is a better matrix visual is better for this one. Or else if you want only, so I will minimize this one and I will create one small table. So here we can date wise, that is only here will show only month wise deposits and withdrawals. Only we need this one. So with the help of this, they can easily find out. It's better to use for the this cluster chart is better to use this one. So here date wise they can see the numbers, and for us also we can save the space correct usage. So for this we will so I need to drop this down. So this is how it will prepare. So now we need to give the chart. Now we need to insert a box. I want to give the name of this dashboard. Bank statement analysis. Detail business. Bank statement analysis. So retail. Here I'm putting the just name because they didn't mention their business. Otherwise, we can give their name, and we can they can add buttons, and we will add one buttons, right arrow. We'll add right arrow, because if we click here, we'll go to the next, automatically we will go to the next page. Now I will show how it will work. So far button we need to fill. So I need to give here when to click on action, I need to give the page 2. So if I click on, if I hover the here, so I need to just control, and I need to click on control, and I need to click on this button. So immediately I will go to the next page. So for the for users also, end users also, they can easily, they know that they have the second page also, so easily they can move it to the, by clicking on, pressing this, they can easily, they can find the data also. So this is better option, and it seems it colors, it is better to change the colors as well. So just I will change the colors, then we will end this session. Background color blue. So this is data. This is, we have analyzed the statement of bank statement. So this is how it will work. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share.